6:30.
Did we ever
So I get a few hours
the person that was here?
That's not too bad.
So I'm about to pull this car over.
Negative, just a no.
In the vehicle.
They started on 1037.
10-4. Which 20?
We're at standby in Barling, just off the rock.
10-4.
Get out of the car! Get out of the fucking... $959 X-ray same item. 959 X-ray same item. Black Nissan Altima, Hispanic male.
10-4.
He hit my car. Stand by. We're on coming up the Stroger Lane. I'm not sure. We're in it's kind of a trailer park area.
We're not here, the four stops.
Or Lockett Lane, Speeds are 46. We're in a residential neighborhood. Going back towards Rogers, towards Fort Smith.
Okay, so back towards Rogers.
Speed 75. Traffic's light right now.
Okay, so right track.
Passing Mayo. Get off the radio. Speeds are 102. Past meandering. Traffic's medium right now. Passing South 91st. John Rogers. Traffic's medium. About to cut through a red light. Clear left, clear right, clear left, clear right. Coming up to Mazard. North on Mazard. TBI.
10-4 TBI.
They drove out of the TBI, still south on, coming up to, we're on Mark. They just blacked out. Speed's 45, going west on Mark. South 80th, Mark, residential neighborhood. Speed's 25, coming up to 45 now. Get out of the fucking car now! Get out of the fucking car now! Get out of the fucking car now! Get out of the fucking car now, you dumb motherfucker! Get out of the fucking car! Get the fuck out of the car now! Stupid motherfucker! Get the fuck out of the car now! Yeah, you motherfucker, you stupid motherfucker! Crawl out! Crawl the fuck out now! Crawl out now! Crawl out of the fucking car now! Get out of the fucking car now! You wanna get fucking tased? Turn off the fucking car! Turn off the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car now! Get out of the fucking car now! Get the fuck out of the car! Call out now! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out now! Call out now! Get the fuck out of the Get the fuck out of the car now! Motherfucker, get out!
The door won't open. The door is locked.
Call the fuck out now!
Get out through the window. Climb through the window. Climb through the window.
Climb through the fucking window now!
Hey, the door is locked. The door is locked.
Ow! Ow! Get the motherfucker!
Ow.
Get the fuck out of the car!
Ow. Ow.
Get in your fucking stomach now!
Ow. Okay. I don't know nothing.
Fuck.
Oh,
with 31.
96. Someone's got ran over by the vehicle.
Where?
1901 Ford.
Congratulations, you just fucking got someone ran over, dude.
Get up. Get up. Where at? Get up.
1901 4th Street.
Who cares about you back? Nobody cares about you back. Get up. Get up.
We're tip 15.
Just go slow about it, bro.
You drunk motherfucker.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I'll give it to all the guys and see if this fucking involved.
I got you. I didn't see him. I didn't see anybody get hit. Yeah.
What's happening in the area?